Hi everybody. Hey, welcome to Jay's How To channel. I'm Jay, and today I'm going to teach you how to change a washer in a Delta faucet. I don't know why it took me so long to say that, but let's get into the house and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so first you have to shut off your main water shutoff. Then go to the lowest point in the house where your lowest faucet is and open that faucet on both sides, hot and cold. Okay, we're here at the bathtub, and this is where we're changing the faucet O-rings. Now, I've got this Allen wrench to take off the handle, and it's leaking right out of the top here. We're going to use a crescent wrench to loosen the faucet nut, and then just take it off by hand. Now, if you don't have a pick set, you can use a paper clip. Just get some pliers and let's straighten this paper clip out and just grab it with some pliers, and you can just bend the tip to a 90-degree angle. There you go. And I'll get this. Now you just go right in here, and you can pull this O-ring out along with the spring. Pay attention to the orientation that they come out. Now clean off and inspect this surface. This is a stainless steel surface, and sometimes calcium can build up on it if it has a leak. Just make sure it's cleaned off. Now we're going to come in with some silicone grease. This is the main O-ring, and we're going to lube this up with some, obviously, silicone grease. I've got the silicone grease listed down in the description, and it's pretty important when you're working on faucets. And now we're going to lube up the O-ring, and this is the O-ring that was causing the leak. It was leaking out from underneath the handle. It was just a little bit of water, but it was a little nuisance. So here we go. Now we're going to install these parts again. Now make sure they go back in the same orientation that they came out. The spring is shaped like a cone, and the wider part of the cone goes to the bottom, and then the O-ring goes on top of the spring. Here it is, installed. And now inspect the surface again, and just put this back in, and then attach the nut. You want to make sure not to over tighten this. It's the O-ring that does all of the work, that holds the water back. You just have to snug this up. So you don't have to over tighten it, and you'll be just fine. And now we're reattaching the handle. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you guys. And then test it to make sure nothing's rubbing. Okay, go back to the lowest point in the house and turn the faucet off, and then turn your main water supply back on. And now let's open these valves up and get the air out of the pipes. And it's not leaking. And there you go. Working just fine. Appreciate you guys, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. We'll see you in the next one.